Yes, hello everyone, welcome to our next Femitech video tutorial. Now for today's episode I will be showing you the review of my HTC Desire 610 smartphone. Now I got this phone for about $104 on Amazon. Now presently it is going for $139.95. Now I'm going to start with the external view of the cell phone. Now of course from the front here, this phone is actually a 4.7 inch display screen right across the screen there. As you can see, look, coming from the top there, this is the speaker when we're on a call, and of course as you can see you have a lot of holes there, so you should hear the persons on the other end pretty clearly. To the right of the speaker here you have the front facing camera at 1.3 megapixel. Down the bottom here, as you can see, the HTC nice type there, and then of course you have the microphone there when we're on a call, and again you have a lot of vent there for of course proper audio in terms of you talking. Going to the left of the phone there, this cover here should of course protect your nano SIM card, so it uses the nano SIM card at the top there, and down the bottom is a slot for your micro SD card. Now this smartphone actually accepts up to 128 gigs in terms of your external memory card, so that's a lot of space. To the right of the phone here, this is where you will find your volume down button and the volume up button. Top of the phone now, this is your headphone jack, and of course the right of the headphone jack is where you will find your power button. Down the bottom of the screen now, this is your charging port, or where you would actually plug your USB card if you want to transfer files from your cell phone to your computer, or from your computer to your cell phone. Going around to the back of the phone now, this is the back section now. The back is entire smooth, made from a completely different material from the rest of the phone. And of course this is your rear or back camera. It is 8 megapixel, very good picture quality, and at the top of the camera here, this is where you would actually find the flash. So that's pretty much it about the external aspect of this HTC Desire 610 smartphone. Want to see what is going on in terms of features. So once you're not using the phone, automatically the screen actually lock. When you tap the screen, it should indicate how to unlock it, and as you can see, it says that you must swipe upwards to actually unlock the phone. Now I'm gonna swipe upwards, and of course gonna go to the main screen in terms of your apps that comes with the phone itself: Facebook, Twitter, MacBook, Google Map there, and you have the calendar out of the box. Of course you can use the Play Store and download other apps that you would like. I'm gonna go down to settings so I can give you so much more detail as to the specs of this HTC Desire 610 cell phone. Of course, airplane mode, Wi-Fi compatible there, Bluetooth, data, mobile data, so of course you can connect to data service from your service provider once you have that set up. I'm gonna go down to storage just to check to see internal storage. Out of the box, this cell phone or smartphone comes with 8 gigs of internal storage, and again you can use a external micro SD card up to 128 gigs, so that is a lot of space. I'm gonna go back to see other features now. Of course personalize, that's where you make your personal settings. The home screen wallpaper there, home screen in terms of the wallpaper there. The theme, you can change the theme to whichever color. This is the default theme. Tap on it and apply. Yes, and your theme should actually change. As you can see, the theme actually change. Gonna go back to setting to look at some other features. Gonna check to get some information about the phone itself. So help, network, phone identity, that is where you will find the serial number, the IME number, etc. The software information there, the legal information there. Of course, network, that's where you would get your information about the wireless aspect of the phone itself. Security feature, of course, you can enable screen lock on the phone. You can also lock your widget on the phone. A lot of security features there. Backup and reset, so of course you can back up what you have on the phone and reset it to factory default apps. This should go into apps management, and of course the apps can be downloaded on the SD card and also on the internal memory there. So you just make a one tap there on Google and I get some main apps in terms what main Google apps. You have the Google Chrome there, the Gmail, and of course you have the Google Plus, the map there for Google, play music, instant movie TV, you have the playbook there, and of course the Google Drive. Once you have a Google Drive, a Gmail account, you can upload your file to Google Drive. You get about 15 gigs in terms of storage. YouTube there out of the back, and of course Hangout to communicate with your friends. This is the Play Store. Once you have a Google account, also you can go to the Play Store and download your latest apps. Look at some more apps on this cell phone. Gallery, of course, that's where you would save your photograph and of course your videos. Now down the bottom here, down these two, now this is the home button. No, it is not a button itself. You'd have to touch the screen in terms of going back to the main screen. So the home button is not a button itself, it is actually on the screen itself, so you'd have to touch it. This of course is the back button there. So let's say for example I go to those apps. When I go back, it bring me to the previous page. Of course comes with FM radio. So out of the box it is comes with FM radio. Once you plug in your headset, then of course you should be able to hear radio station on the FM frequency. So this phone, it is really good. Other great features about this phone is that of course it is compatible on 2G network, 3G, and also 4G network. In terms of speed, of course you will get 1 gig of RAM, and it is running a quad-core processor going at 1.2 gigahertz. So that is extremely fast. The Android operating system on this phone is the 4.4.2 KitKat operating system. The megapixel, again, it is 8 megapixel in terms of picture quality, and the pixel, that is 3264 times 2448. So that is very good in terms of picture quality. Out of the box, of course, the cell phone is factory unlocked, so it is unlocked to any GSM network out of the box. So basically that is pretty much it for the review for this HTC Desire 610 smartphone. So once again guys, please remember to click the subscription button to of course grow with my channel. So once again, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.